Hello guys, this is Lion Cruiser and I'm giving you guys how to make a paper like a paper envelope. So first you start out like this. You see it? Like that. Here. Alright guys, you can also use any piece of paper. I'm just using this. So now you just fold it up just like this. Just like that, and just fold it up. Which side you're doing it on? So I'll fold it on this side. Like that. Okay, now this. Okay, now go like this. This is like that. Just fold it and do it on the other side. Okay, now you grab it and fold it just like this. I grabbed it, it was like this right here. Just folded it like that. And do it on the other side too. Okay? Now just you see it like this. Now just fold it down, tighten it. Okay. Now just go like this. Now just fold it like this. Make a point. Okay, now you're done. Place it in, so it'll be like this. There's a big one right there. Down inside. And there you go, your own envelope. Subscribe, comment, leave a like. I'm out. Bye.